Are you also managing a specialty chocolate shop? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for specialty chocolate shop business. So as an owner of a specialty chocolate shop, I am receiving multiple inquiries on WhatsApp related to my customers. They are asking for the products, orders, hampers, etc. Handling each of the inquiry manually is taking a lot of time and making me inconsistent. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot that I am going to create without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this WhatsApp chatbot is going to handle all the messages which I am receiving for my specialty chocolate shop, as well as it is going to automate the responses 24/7. So for your business, if you also want to learn the entire process to create this WhatsApp chatbot, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for our specialty chocolate shop. So here I own a specialty chocolate shop and I'm receiving multiple inquiries regarding different flavors and blends of chocolates to place an order, gift hampers, etc. I need to instantly reply to each of my customers to boost my sale and to maintain the consistency in my business. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot that I'm going to create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that too without any coding and programming skills. So Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform which helps us to create multiple creative chatbots for our businesses. Also, apart from this, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow. So here I am going to show you that how this flow is actually going to work. I will take you towards WhatsApp and I will show you a real example for that, how the bot is actually going to respond to the customers. So on my specialty chocolate shop business number, I am going to send a WhatsApp message as a customer in front of you. Let's say chocolate. So as soon as I've sent a message, I got a reply. Hey there, welcome to Choco Craze, your go-to for artisanal chocolates. May I know your name? It is asking me my name, and when I'm going to reply the name as, let's say, test user, just a random name. As I've done that, I got another message as reply along with my own name automatically. Thanks test user, I'm your Choco Craze assistant. How can I help you? I've also received some options over here in the form of buttons. When I'm going to click on this button, let's say chocolate menu, I got the chocolate menu automatically. So this is how the bot is actually going to work. So now let's start learning the process of creating this WhatsApp chatbot for our specialty chocolate shop step by step with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To start with the process, first of all, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser. After coming over here on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, once you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots according to your requirements. As an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So here let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of our Pabbly Chatflow account. Through this dashboard, we can manage our credits which are allotted to us, the credits which we have consumed, the message credits that are remaining with us, and much more. Here we can also create separate folders to save our WhatsApp number separately in the organized format. Also here you can see we have the option of add WhatsApp number. You can click on this button to add your WhatsApp number. First of all, in order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you require Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and the folder in which you want to save this number. Also, in order to get these details, we have already created a separate video tutorial on our channel. You can just go and watch that tutorial over here. Also, in order to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow using WhatsApp Cloud API, we have created a video. You can just see this video from here as well. My number is already added and my Pabbly Chatflow account is set up. So now we are going to quickly move forward towards creating a WhatsApp chatbot. But before that, here you can see that we have multiple other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow as well. So I'm going to simply discuss each of them with you. Although we have created separate videos for each of these features in detail, you can just go and watch it from our YouTube channel if you want to learn about each of the feature in detail. But here I'm also discuss the features in brief with you. So let's go towards inbox first of all. Here we have the inbox feature where we can manage all our sent as well as received messages. So in case if you are using Pabbly Chatflow for your WhatsApp automation, you do not have to open your WhatsApp web again and again in order to check for the received or the sent messages. You can see everything over here at one place. Here we have the contact section where we can manage all our contacts. We can create separate contact lists on the basis of requirements of the customers. Then we have the team queue section by using which we can assign chats to our different team members. We can use round robin method over here to assign the chats. Also, we can track the performances of our teams, whether they are replying promptly to our customers or no. Also, this will increase our productivity as well as team collaboration. Then we have the template section by using which we can create customized and creative templates to be sent to different customers, leads, employees, anyone on the basis of different requirements, that too in the personalized format along with the variables. And also here we can send media, images, videos, documents, files, etc. Then we have the broadcast section by using which we can send mass messages to bulk of people, bulk of customers, leads, or etc. with the help of customized templates. Then we have the flow section where we can create multiple amazing chatbots for our businesses. So let's get started. So today we are going to create the chatbot for our specialty chocolate shop. Now let's click on this add flow button. We are going to create the chatbot with the help of flow. We are going to create a flow which is going to decide what message should be sent next on the basis of the response of the customers. The chatbot is created on the basis of this flow only. All right, so let's start with the flow. First of all, we have to give a name to the flow. So let's say the name of my flow is Choco Craze Bot. The name of my store is Choco Craze. So I've given the name as Choco Craze Bot. As we have given the name, now we are going to move forwards with the start of the flow. Whether you want to use keywords to start the flow, if you want to select the template. I want to use keywords over here. What kind of keywords? When I'm going to receive messages from my customers, then my flow should start and the bot should start responding on the basis of the message which the customer has sent. The messages are going to contain some kind of keywords, whether they are going to start the conversation with hi, hello, or hey, or they are going to include the keywords in the sentences such as chocolate, specialty chocolates, flavors, price, offers, etc. These are some of the keywords which I could receive as messages from my customers, and I'm going to identify certain keywords and I'm going to add those keywords over here in the keyword section, which then when we'll receive from our customers or from our leads, automatically the flow is going to identify those keywords and the bot is going to start responding to the customers. So here how you're going to enter the keywords, you will simply enter the word which you want to use as your keyword and you will click on enter. The word will turn into blue and that will be added as a keyword. Now here we have the next keyword as hi, or let's say hey, or let's say order, or it could be price, or chocolate, or there could be n number of keywords which you can enter by identifying. All right. Here, apart from keywords, it might be possible that we are not going to receive exact words as the keywords, but we can receive keywords in the form of sentences or paragraphs as well. So in that dynamic variation, how we are going to identify? For that, we can use regex over here. Regex is regular expression which helps us to identify the dynamic keywords in different variations and start our flow automatically. So here, if you're receiving the messages in the form of sentences, long paragraphs, or in the dynamic format, the keywords will be identified when you're going to enter your keywords in the regex format. How you're going to enter the regex format? For this, you will simply enter /b, you will open a bracket, you will start entering all the keywords you have identified for your flow. So let's say here the first keyword I have identified is hello. Then I'm going to separate it with the help of this bar sign. Hi. The next keyword is like this. Then we have this third one as let's say hey, or let's say order, let's say offer. In the similar manner, I'm going to enter multiple keywords, flavor, and much more. All right. Now, once you have completed entering all the keywords in the regex, you are supposed to do, you will simply close the bracket, you will enter /b once again like this, and your regex is ready. Now, whenever you're going to receive a message from your customer, whether in a sentence format, whether a long text message, the keywords will be identified from that message and your bot is going to start working. You can receive some of the case sensitive keywords as well. So for that, you can toggle this button on. All right. Now, as we have completed the flow start, what you want to do next? As I'm going to receive keywords from my customers, as the keyword will be identified, my flow is going to start. First of all, I want to ask name of my customer so that I can make my communication with that customer personalized by addressing them with their own name. So in order to ask the name of the customer, I'm going to go towards action, and here we have ask question option. We will simply drag it down like this, and we are going to simply connect this question with the flow start. So what question you want to ask? I want to ask the name. So the message will be, so here is my question. Hey there, welcome to Choco Craze, your go-to for artisanal chocolates. Before we dive in, may I know your name? So here I want to collect the name from my customers as response. So therefore I'm going to select my contact custom field as full name. Now here the format of the name will be text, of course. If you want, you can also enter the number of reattempts which you want to provide to your customers for making the changes in their name if they want. Also the validation message to be sent along with this reattempt. Okay, now as I've selected full name from the contact custom field, when I'm going to receive the reply from my customers along with their name will be automatically added in the contact custom field of Pabbly Chatflow. And in the similar manner, when we are going to further communicate with our customers, the name could be automatically sent to them. Now, as I have added the question over here to collect the name, as I'm going to receive the name of the customer as reply, further I'm going to send them another message regarding the options which they want to explore today with my store. So here for that, I'm going to send them text plus button message so that I could provide them the options with the help of button. So the message will be, thanks, full name. Here I have entered the variable full name, that is from my contact custom field, along with a $sign to automatically enter the name of the customer which we have received from the reply. I am your Choco Craze assistant. How can I help you today? Please select an option. And over here to select the option, I'm going to provide buttons to my customers. So the first button over here will be to view the chocolate menu. Then here, the second button I'm going to give to my customers will be to place an order, if they want to place an order for the chocolate. And the third button will be for that if they want to look for the current offers we are running on our store. Apart from this, here I'm also going to add another content, that is text plus button. And here in that, I'm going to send a message that if they want to look for the gift hampers regarding any festive or occasion, to explore the specialty gift hampers, and here I'm going to attach the button as gift hampers. Okay, so this is the message which I am going to send to my customers. First of all, we have provided three options: chocolate menus, place an order, or current offers. If they want to look for the specialty gift hampers, for that also I have provided the message and the button. So according to each of the button which the customers are going to select, I am going to send them separate messages. First of all, if in case the customer is going to go for chocolate menu, if they want to look for the menu of our chocolate, in that case here I am going to send them the menu in the media format. So I'm going to select media over here. The media type will be image. So here I have the menu in the image format. If you want, you can also select video, audio, or document over here. Then if you want to attach media URL over here, you can paste it over here. If you want to drag and drop from the computer by uploading it directly, you can also use that option. I'm going to upload the image directly from my computer. So here let me upload the image from the computer. So I have uploaded the image of the chocolate menu, and now I'm going to enter the caption as well. Here are our handcrafted chocolate collection. Click below to order now. I'm also going to provide a button to order the chocolate, and that will be for order now. So as the customer is going to click on order now button, then I'm going to send them the link of the store where they can place the order for any of the chocolate from the menu. So here in that case, I'm going to send them a text message as sweet. Again, I have entered the name of the customer in the variable format. You can place your order online by clicking the link below, and here we have the link. I have provided the link of my website. So by going on this link, they can place the order. So here the first part of our flow is completed. We are going to click on save now. Keep saving your flow as soon as you're moving forward to keep it updated. So when the customer is going to click on chocolate menu, the menu is going to be sent to them in the image format. If they want to place order after reading the menu and the price, they can just click on order now button. Then they can just go towards the link which we are providing them to place their order. Further, we have the second option to place an order, where I'm going to quickly just connect this button with the same message which I'm sending to provide the link. Okay, if in case they want to go back from this menu section, I'm going to also provide the button for going back. And here I'm going to connect that with the welcome message which I'm sending them along with the option. All right. Now here then we have the third option to explore the current offers. So I'm going to provide them the details which we are running on our store currently, and the offers will be in the message format. So here I'm going to enter the message as, yay, here are the hot deals this week. Buy 2 get 1 free on Rose Almond Bites, 15% off on orders above $8.99, free delivery for orders over $6.99. And here again, if they want to place the order, I'm going to add the button of placing the order over here. And if they are clicking on this button, they will be redirected towards the link. So again, I'm going to connect this message with the link. Okay, after this here, if they want to go back again, so I'm going to once again add the button of going back. And here I'm going to connect that button once again with the option message. Again, all the three options are done. Again, we have an extra option to explore the specialty gift hampers. So here, if they are going to click on this button, gift hampers, I'm going to provide them the details of the hampers which we are creating for different occasions and different festivals. So here I'm going to provide them the details regarding that. Our gift hampers are perfect for any occasion. Chocolate love box we are providing for 699, Dulux hamper 12 pieces, custom gift box available. For customizations, call us on this number. So here we have provided them the message for custom hampers. So here my flow is ready. As you can see, I'm going to systematically arrange it now. And as soon as we are going to receive a new message from our customers regarding the chocolates inquiry, automatically a message is going to be sent them asking their name. As soon as they will reply us with their name, a message will be again sent them providing them the options. They are going to select any of the options, and as soon as they are going to select any of the options, according to each of the options, we are going to then send them the message for menu, for custom orders, for placing the orders, and much more. So the flow is ready. We'll simply save it, and now I'm going to show you that how this bot is actually going to work. First of all, I will take you towards my WhatsApp and we will check whether we are receiving the responses from our bot or not as a customer. So here as a customer, I'm going to send a message on my WhatsApp number of my specialty chocolate store along with some keywords. Hello, I want to order chocolate. As soon as I have sent this message, you can see that I got a reply instantly. Hey there, welcome to Choco Craze, your go-to for artisanal chocolates. Before we dive in, may I know your name? Let me provide a name over here as, let's say, amazing customer, a random name. As soon as I have provided the name, it is replying me with my name, addressing me with my name. Thanks, amazing customer. I am your Choco Craze assistant. How can I help you today? Please select an option. Let's say here I want to select chocolate menu. As soon as I have selected that, I got the menu over here. Here's our handcrafted chocolate collection. Click below to order now. When I'm going to click on this button, it is going to provide me the link. You can see that all those buttons which we have added in our flow are working fine. We are receiving the buttons as an options, and easily the customers can reply by clicking on that button. Sweet, amazing customers, you can place your order online by clicking this link below. So in this way, actually, our flow is going to work. So you can see that, yes, our chatbot is created perfectly. Also, it is running fine. So in the similar manner, you can also very easily create a chatbot for your business, for your specialty chocolate shop. This will help you to automatically handle all the inquiries of your customers 24/7, engage them, and also increase the productivity as well as sales. So I hope the process of creating this chatbot is clear to you. It is helpful for your business as well. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free. So go and try it now for free today.